Educators guide students to articulate problems by identifying the goal, the challenge, and previous attempts. Encourage seeking advice, ensuring students understand and evaluate it before acting. Model problem solving by demonstrating how to explain issues and assess advice. Facilitate peer activities for practice, reinforcing skills through structured classroom interactions and observation. Educators guide students to identify problems, explain them clearly, and act on advice. Start by defining the goal and challenge, then share previous attempts. Encourage students to listen actively to advice, balancing openness with critical thinking. Model this process, then let students practice in pairs, fostering peer reflection and collaboration. Explain the goal clearly to ensure the helper understands your objective. Describe where you're stuck, whether it's an unclear instruction or missing information. Share previous attempts to avoid redundant suggestions. This clarity aids in receiving effective advice, enhancing problem-solving skills. Advice is an opinion on what you should do. It's crucial to think fully about advice before acting. Balance openness to advice with critical thinking. Use listening skills to understand advice and ask questions if needed. This ensures you act on advice effectively, enhancing problem-solving skills in students. Model problem solving by explaining a problem clearly. Start with the goal, describe the challenge, and share previous attempts. Invite learners to give advice, then demonstrate evaluating and acting on it. Encourage peer activities to practice these skills, fostering a supportive environment for articulating problems and receiving guidance. In the classroom, guide students to structure their advice requests, fostering peer-to-peer problem solving. Encourage them to articulate their challenges clearly. Use observation to assess their ability to explain problems and act on advice. This practice reinforces their skills, ensuring they can effectively seek and utilize guidance in real-world scenarios. Teaching problem-solving skills is crucial. Emphasize explaining problems clearly and acting on advice. Encourage continuous practice and assessment to enhance these skills. This approach empowers students to become effective problem solvers.